Using DSers with Wix allows you to efficiently manage your dropshipping business by automating product imports and order fulfillment. Here's how to set it up. Create a DSers account. Start by visiting the DSers website and signing up for a free account. This will give you access to the DSers dashboard. Connect your Wix store. In the DSers dashboard, go to the Integration section. Look for Wix and click to connect. You may need to log into your Wix account and authorize the connection. Import products. Use DSers to search for products on platforms like AliExpress. When you find suitable items, import them directly into your DSers catalog. You can customize product titles, descriptions, and pricing during this process. Publish products to Wix. Once products are imported, go back to the DSers dashboard. Choose the products you want to publish and then select the option to list them on your Wix store. Manage orders. When customers place orders on your Wix store, DSers will automatically sync these orders. You can fulfill them directly from the DSers dashboard by placing orders with your suppliers. Track shipments. DSers provides tracking information for all shipments, which you can share with customers to keep them informed about their order status.